All the snow around has turned to ice. What should I do now? I have an idea. I need to buy spikes and insert them into the wheels. Sports bikes. Just like Dad's. I'm buying them. Thank you. And here are my spikes. Dad, please help me screw the spikes into the buggy wheels.
Alright, then you clear the snow on the embankment.
Okay, agreed.
Well, shall we get started? So, one is done. Moving on the second. The second is done too. Now starting on the back ones. The last one left. Let's start. So that was the last one.
Whew, I finished.
Me too. All that left is to pump up the tires.
Alright, then let me pump them up. So, one is done. This needs to be deflated. Let's check. More. Oh, just right. Let's see. Oh, just what we need. Let's check. No, this is too little. Just a bit more. Alright, it's perfect now. Well, it's time for the test. No, it's another matter.
Oh, cool car.
Whew, it's really hot today. I need something to cool myself. Oh, ice cream is good. There is nothing better than ice cream in summer.
Maybe Dan will give me a ride in the car. I will go ask. Hey Dan, where are you? Hello.
Hi.
Let me take a ride in the car.
No, Bandit, I won't let you.
Well, at least a little. I'll drive carefully.
No, the car is mine. I won't give it to anyone.
Okay. He will regret it later.
Hey, Bandit, why did you get the car dirty?
Because Dan didn't let me ride it.
Bandit, what have you done? The whole car is in mud.
Yes, Bandit, you can't do that.
Okay, I will wash everything now. Okay, ready.
That better. You need to live in peace.
Yes, my bad. There was no need to be greedy.
Well done. I hope you have learned this lesson.
Yes, of course. I won't do it again.
Okay, I have to go. Bye.
Do you still want to take a ride in the car?
Yes, of course.
Well, then sit down. Let's take a ride.
Thank you.
I am telling you to stop. Where did he go?
Now I have a lot of money.
Well, never mind. I'll find him anyway.
Hey, do you need help?
Sorry, but I need your car.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you.
As I thought, he was faking it.
Hello, Dan. Have you seen the bandit?
Yes, I have. He took my car and drove off along this way.
Okay, let's go look for him together.
I'll hide the money just in case here. Now no one will find my treasure.
I think I found your car.
It's the police again. I have to disguise myself.
Mister, have you seen the red car?
Yes, I saw a car parked over there around the corner.
Thank you.
They believe me.
It looks like he beat us again.
It's good that at least the car was found.
Okay, and we will catch the bandit next time.